Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how I cook everyday meals from my meal prep. This is my fourth video from my meal prep. If you are new here, you can check my meal prep videos from the link in the description box below. And please consider subscribing for more delicious Japanese dishes. In this video, I am going to use up all the ingredients I have prepared and made it into delicious dishes. You'll be surprised at how versatile my meal prep is. Let's get started. First, let's make easy fried rice using the leftover karage. You can use any protein like sausage or bacon instead of karage. Chop your scallions thinly. Chop your leftover karage into dice. Crack your eggs and beat. For seasonings, you will need a teaspoon of granulated chicken soup and teaspoon of soy sauce. Heat your frying pan on high and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Pour in beaten egg and cook until half done. To that add rice. Cook until each grain separated. Add chopped karage and cook until heated through. Add granulated chicken soup and mix well until evenly seasoned. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Add chopped scallions for the aromatics. Lastly, add soy sauce from the edge of the frying pan. It's gonna give it a sweet and smoky flavor. Cook until evenly seasoned and it's done. You can serve just transferring a dish, or you can do like Chinese restaurant. Lightly pack your fried rice into a rice bowl. Place another dish on the rice bowl and flip it over and voila! Just ordinary recipe with leftover ingredients turned into fascinating dish. Next, let's make egg salad sandwich. I am using store-bought shokupan, which is very soft and moist, goes very well with egg salad. Use 1 cm in thickness or half in 2. Choose any bread you like. Mash 1 boiled egg and add Japanese mayonnaise and salt and pepper. Mix well to make egg salad. Spread over 1 bread and place a sliced boiled egg on top and sandwich with another bread. Wrap tightly with a piece of plastic to stick them together and cut into 2 diagonally. Cover again with a plastic wrap and you can bring it to your office or school. My son brings it for a snack for before lunchtime. Let's move on to the next dish. Next, we are making potato stew with chicken soboro. We call it soboroni. Potato and soboro goes very well together. Peel potato and cut them into dice. Release in water to remove excess starch. Drain and put them in a small pot and 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken soboro and half a cup of water. Cook on medium-low with the lid on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it should look like this. And you don't have to add any seasonings but tastes just good. Next, Spanish omelette. I make this recipe quite often on the weekend by collecting leftover ingredients in my fridge. Basically, any kind of leftover can be used in this recipe. I have cooked sweet potato and sautéed mushrooms and grilled long green onion and chicken soboro. All you have to do is cut them up and mix with egg and heavy cream to make it rich and moist. Lightly season with salt and pepper. Heat your frying pan on medium-high and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Pour egg mixture into the pan and cook until half done, like you are making a scrambled egg. Lower the heat and cover with the lid and cook 5 minutes or 90% is cooked. Sprinkle shredded cheese if you want to make it more rich. Cover with the lid again and cook until the cheese is melted for a minute. Shake your pan to release the omelette, then carefully transfer it onto the lid. Flip it over and cook until the cheese cooked and crunchy. Serve with tomato sauce we made for the hamburger steak the other day. There you have a Spanish omelette. Now let's make easy carrot and tuna salad. Put about a cup of shredded carrot and 1 small can of tuna. Season with salt and pepper and cover with plastic wrap. Cook in microwave for 90 seconds. Squeeze a little bit of citrus juice or vinegar and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix well and carrot and tuna salad is done. Adjust the cooking time if you like the soft carrot. Next, my all-time favorite broccoli and egg salad. Cook your broccoli and some shredded carrot in the microwave. Cook it in the microwave 90 seconds at 800 watt. Again, you can adjust the time to your liking. While cooking, shred your crab stick. I love crab stick. And peel your boiled egg. Carefully drain the excess moisture from the broccoli. It's hard, so be careful. To that, add boiled egg, tear into bite-sized pieces, and shredded crab stick. Add 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise and salt and pepper. Mix well, and here is my favorite broccoli salad. I don't know why, but I like this combination so much. I can eat the whole bowl of this salad. You can have it any time of the day, but I don't recommend to bring to your office or school because the excess moisture will come out, and so you cannot keep this in the ideal condition. Next, grilled atsage. Atsage is a deep-fried tofu, and this is the simplest dish in this video. Just grill it and serve with grated ginger and chopped scallion and drizzle over soy sauce. That's it. It's very simple but yet still delicious. Last but not least, let's make Buddha bowl. You can use up all the leftover ingredients for the vegan-friendly meal. Heat your frying pan on medium and add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Add your shredded carrot and cook until wilted. Season with salt and a little bit of garlic powder. Set the carrot aside and add your chopped atsage and leftover spinach and grilled green onions, everything you have on your fridge. Reheat your leftover ingredients. Place your fermented brown rice and top with your prepared ingredients. You can check how I cook my rice on other video. You can use any grains you like cooked quinoa. Have fun with your Buddha bowl. If you are not vegetarian, you can add an egg or cooked sausage, anything you want. The colorful and vibrant and nutritious meal is ready in a minute. Drizzle over the Japanese dressing we have made for pork salad. There you have a Buddha bowl. Alright, that's the end of my meal prep video. Nothing is left in my fridge, so I should go to my grocery store again. I hope my meal prep series is helpful for your healthy meal plan. If you like my meal prep video like this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And please visit my website for more information. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!